Hello สวัสดีค่ะโค้ชวีนานะคะตอนนี้โค้ชอยู่กับคุณซูดนารีแฟชั่นเฟงซุยมาสเตอร์นะคะแล้วก็ขอโอกาสเขาที่จะสัมภาษณ์ตอนนี้ก็อยู่ในงานคอนเฟรนซ์ของ AICI ที่ชิคาโกนะคะอย่างก่อนแรกเลยเดี๋ยวขอให้คุณซูแนะนำตัวเองนิดนึงซู can you introduce yourself for Thai people
Of course. Hello, my name's Sue Donnelly. I am a fashion feng shui master, as Weena said, and have been since about 2006. I love the image profession and I love the way that we can dress and help people at the same time. So that is my passion. And I go around the world doing that. So I'm a very lucky person. Hence, Weena and I are together here.
Yeah, okay. So can you tell a bit about what is fashion feng shui?
Okay, so fashion feng shui then is a very holistic way of dressing. It looks at who you are, it looks at your appearance, and it also looks more importantly at your dreams, your desires, what you want to do. So we really base everything, I guess, on the client themselves and what they discover. So it's not really a teaching practice, it's more of an intuitive, consultative type of practice, which means that the people that you consult with really get to own this. And every time they put on clothes, they feel like they have come home. It's a very, very holistic practice.
Who is suitable for the class of fashion feng shui?
I think everybody that's interested in that, if you're interested in yourself, then you'll be interested in your clothes, you'll be interested in your life, because I think with something like fashion feng shui, you do, of course, get to learn more about your style, but more importantly, you get to learn about you, and you also get to learn about other people and how they're not like you. And I think, that creates a lot of harmony. So certainly in the last class, the students that we had have been really surprised at how it's opened up more areas in their life than just the clothes. True?
So exciting, and it's really, I have to say, like fashion feng shui, our previous classes, it's taking people, from outside to inside, and so all students said you are awesome, and they really have a good time.
Oh, thank you. So I'm awesome.
Yeah, really.
Come and check it out.
Okay. So, after the class, what do they get from the class?
Okay. So as I said before, what they get from the class, apart from a lot of knowledge and education and all the materials that back that up, I think it's one of those things that the more you do, the more you go deeper into yourself and everybody else. So it's one of those types of practices that you will never ever leave on one side. It's not the kind of training that you do and then you put it away in a drawer. This is something that you can do every single day with yourself, with your clients, with your family. It's an ongoing and very, very empowering process. And certainly because it's new in Thailand, and this is the big thing, it's really different, it's really unique, and I think that it's going to be something where you can make a lot of profit from it too. So you're passionate about your job, you're helping clients, and you are making money.
Yeah, it's interesting for the last one. Okay. Lastly, so your last message for Thai people?
I think that if you come along to the next workshop, which is in August, it's going to change your life. So all I can say, for the better, it's going to change your life. That's how powerful it is. And you're also going to have a lot of fun at the same time.
Okay. Lastly, we say goodbye, and we'll see all of you in this coming August.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I'm missing you. Hear myself, I'm missing you. I can't stand this life alone. Don't make sense now that you're gone. Till you come back, I'm missing you. Hear myself, I'm missing you. It's so hard to breathe when you're not here with me, and tough is still to live, I don't know how to be. In my lonely mind, I play the same movie. Everything's a mess, it's plain to see. It's so hard to breathe when you're not here with me, and tough is still to live, I don't know how to be. In my lonely mind, I play the same movie. Everything's a mess, it's plain to see.